I'd knock that camera off. Same reason all men die first, because they want to.
Oh, honey, tickle me.
Take the shoes off, I
Tickle me. Tickle me. Oh my god.
Stop with this every 2 seconds crap.
Oh, gee.
You just wanted to get away from you.
Hi guys, good morning. Ang aga guys. At may kasama ako dito. Look. I woke up 5:30, 5:20 something, and now it's 5:40. I'm not gonna put makeup too much. It's just a press powder. It's just a you know yung ganito. Ano ko lang siya itap-tap. Guys, let's go downstairs. Daddy promised me, Roxy. Daddy promised me, he says, oh, I'm gonna go play with them, the two of them outside. Because Daddy promised, Daddy said, I'll go Roxy out. So Daddy will go out here and play with you. He said, I will go outside. See you later, bud. See you later. He's my man. Yes, mom. It's super dark. Hold on guys, it's super dark here. Flashlight. Sobrang dark naman. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. Mag-horror movie muna tayo. Ang init. Ang init ang ginaw. I need to get some gas. What's it?
That is a amazing dog.
It's smart.
No, the guy is a amazing trainer.
Yeah. The dog is smart too. It's not just the human. The dog is smart, obedient. It's funny, right?
That's incredible.
Hi guys. Good morning guys. May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. May pulis. Oh my god. Hold on. This guy is blocking over there too.
Well, because he couldn't get in, he's gonna let her out.
Yeah. So now it's traffic over here. What's this woman? She's gonna walk in front of you. Look at.
She's gonna go see what's going on.
Yeah.
And she's standing in the middle.
Yeah. What the heck? Are you kidding me? It's crazy. Anyway, may police doon kasi parang may nangyari ata doon sa ano. Yung sasakyan. Parang I think somebody's robbing. I don't know. Seems like they're paying attention with the car in the parking. I hope you stay over there. Stay over there. You need that?
Yeah, but they're not on sale.
I get this guys, kapag magka-curl ako ng buhok ko, ito lang. Kasi wala akong pang hold eh. Palaging nagka-curl. Guys, kung gusto nyong gumamit ng para kung ayaw nyong mag-wax sa baba, ito yun, sobrang ganda kasi pwede siyang mabasa. Ano siya, battery. Ito may shaver at saka dito din oh. Ito yun yung useful ko. Ito. $17 yun. Okay, we're going home. You go to Micro Center and then you go direct to the house.
So we're going to Micro Center first, right?
No, but because you wanna go to Micro.
Oh, yeah, because that's wrong. Yeah, that's fine. So we'll go home.
No, we go home and then you go to Micro Center. You alone. Anong oras na ba? It's 9:39 na ng umaga, guys. Gutom ako, guys. Gutom. I just had 3 tiny pandesal and coffee that I don't even always finish.
Oh, there's one donut left. It's really good.
Donut? Where you get that donut?
Right.
ShopRite? Where is ShopRite?
Mommy, 3 of them. You gotta leave one for you. Like that. I knocked that camera off.
You're singing.
It's an old commercial.
Keep singing, huh?
Yeah. That's not right. Secret camera, you.
I need to eat first and then edit video. Okay guys, mag-ano lang ako, maghanap ng makakain. Kasi hindi ko alam. Ang kakainin ko! Nag-ano tong lips ko.
Try that donut.
Oh, Tommy. No, I don't wanna eat donut now.
Just
Fine, I will eat it. Because you know what? You want me to eat unhealthy, then that's what you want me to do. Die first. Let's see guys, who's gonna die first.
Oh, I'm gonna die first. The same reason all men die first. Because they want to!
Now, why so? They want to die first. Look, do you have any money in that thing? Receipt. Guys,
Where's the second receipt?
and can you open this one hand for me?
Oh, I'm sorry. You can try. I forgot you can't do it with one hand.
Anyway guys, every time we go to CVS, the receipt is always have like $5 coupon, $3. You're lucky if there is. Wait, you're lucky if there is a $10 coupon. This is the donut. This is apple.
Yeah.
So what's the difference? It's all the same donut.
No. The spice apple's nice.
Hmm?
It's spice apple. That was very tasty.
Oh! Han!
Of course, it don't taste so good after it's on the floor. Too bad there's no dogs here. They would eat it.
And Tommy is leaving. Pumunta lang siya sa taas. Aywan ko anong ginagawa niya. Manunood lang ako muna ng ibang mga vlogger.
Stop at Jollibee. Stop at the bank, get cash, and stop at Jollibee. How you kidding?
I don't ask you often about Jollibee. It's been 9 years.
You could give me a little notice.
Is it raining?
What?
Huh?
It's going to.
It's going to rain too?
I'm thinking. Toss. Easy. Clip. Go. Come in the back seat.
Oh, my honey, tickle me.
Take the shoes off.
Tickle me, baby. Tickle me. I love you.
Love you too. You drive careful, huh?
Yeah, you too.
Oh, do me a favor.
Oh, shit. What?
Hey, tomorrow's garbage day.
I'll see you in the house.
iPads are.
Yes. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm waiting for my mother-in-law. Hold on. I'm going to call her. I'm going to ask her if she's ready. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi guys. Traffic na guys. Traffic. Kanina traffic din guys. And then now it's traffic again. Oh, may aksidente, guys. Maraming... Oh, 4 na pulis, guys.
Oh.
There's 4 cops over
1, 2,
here.
3, 4 cops.
Yeah.
Cop cars and
Oh my God, it's
I know what happened.
the truck and the U-Haul. Oh, it's ruined. The front of U-Haul, it's done. That means he's renting U-Haul, and that means he's gonna be paying a lot of money because he ruined it.
Yeah.
You know, he's renting it, so. Han, there is scratching the thing over there.
Get down. Get paws off the screen. I think we're in the screen there with the tour. Long time ago.
Grandma is there, but she knows.
Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma?
Cookie, come.
Where's Grandma?
I love you so much. I love you, God. I love you, God. I love you. Oh my God. Oh, how did you see that? Oh my God.
Yes, idiot.
Oh my goodness, Ross.
Bulgarian, she got us up. She wants me to find some information for her. It's fine. Somewhere in the papers here, you must have something from the condo.
Luckily, I was here then.
Yeah.
Luckily, I was here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cook first. Tommy's been here. Hi, big boy.
Yeah.
What crap? Oh, you've been eating. That's why. Ah, I like it. That's what I'm thinking. My husband would love it.
in there.
I know there's another one over there. Why you don't take it? And then why you don't finish it? Okay?
I was sharing with YouTube clowns because they get.
I know. I know you. I know you will. Is this the one you got? Okay. Where's the lamb? Where's the pork?
I know you like it because it's white, right?
And it's small. Where is this? Where is the pork? Why you put it over there? I have to marinate it. Okay. Tommy is asking for a pork, guys.
No.
Oh no, a lamb. But when I went, no, I don't. I got this already. What the heck?
Stop with this every 2 seconds crap. Eat your food.
Did you feed them?
Yes, I fed all of them.
What did you give?
Cats ate everything.
Dogs ate nothing.
Because
I gave them the canned food.
because Dada is here always
I gave
like.
canned food, I gave them gravy on it.
She don't know what to do. She don't know what to do. I love him so much. What music is that, big boy?
Greek music.
It's nice for like.
Greek instrumentals.
Ito yung ano natin yan. Sobrang lami naman ito. Oy. Manonood lang kami ng ano guys. Horror movie dito sa ano. Sa TV. Si Tommy, inuon niya yung ano fireplace.
Yeah, that works. Oh, you know, it's at that time of year. Eventually it's going to just drop and it's going to get like crazy. We won't get any snow up there.
That.
My little man.
Ima, come here back. Emo. Come here back.
Develop.
She doesn't let him in. Oh my god. Oh.
That's good. You a rocking chair.
Alice, would you please give us a minute here?
Oh no, it's so loud now. Just there to beat me down.
Thank you.
No, do not.
I mean, it's been what, a day? I don't understand how you think this is like Jennifer.
Last night,
Alice, she was in
Shit. Oh gee.
I just wanted to get away from you.
Seriously, Hen?
What?
That's it.
It's not it. This is just the beginning.
You guys should watch Ima. You guys should watch Ima, right, Hubs?
No.
Watch Ima, guys. It's gonna be fun.
No.
Suckers duck. Look, even Hubs,
Yeah, 13 minutes.
even Hubs knows it.
That's ridiculous.
Nag-ano na lang kami ni Tammy. We're watching sci-fi there. Truth or Dare. Oh my God. Nakakaloka, guys. Cut your finger, cut your ear, cut your... Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We're just gonna finish this one, what's going to happen. And yeah, so good night. See you bukas, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, Han. Bye. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Doing sexy boy. What my boy doing? Because I kind of like want to get this. But where is your bone?